Hey there, Toyota enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we make car maintenance simple and stress-free. If you own a Toyota RAV4 and your tire pressure warning light just won't go off, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset that light and ensure your tire pressure system is working perfectly. So let's dive in. In this generation, your car will have a tire pressure light reset button. So let's start the process. Step 1. Stop the vehicle and adjust the cold tire pressure in all 4 tires, as recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position. Step 3. Next, locate the tire reset button. In this Toyota RAV4, the button is positioned under the steering wheel. Press the button until the tire pressure indicator blinks 3 times slowly. After that, you'll wait a few minutes for the system to record the pressure of each tire, and you're all set. Unlike the previous model year, in this latest model, you must access the system menu to reset the tire light. So here's how to reset it. Step 1. Stop the vehicle and adjust the tire inflation pressure recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn on your car. Step 3. Use the navigation button to access the Settings tab. Step 4. Scroll down to locate the Vehicle Settings menu, then press the OK button. Step 5. Select TPWS menu. Step 6. Highlight the Set Pressure menu and hold down the OK button until the resetting is complete and you're done. And there you have it. Resetting the tire pressure light on your Toyota RAV4 is quick and easy once you know what to do. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more car maintenance tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.